Hello. Now today I will be teaching you one simple shortcut method for finding out the squares. Already in my channel I have already put one more square root videos and all. Squares using diagonal method, square roots using shortcut method, all that are there in our channel. Please see. And now today I will be teaching you a very simple way of finding out the squares. Now for that, there are only two types to find out the squares. There are only two types. The first type is ending with 5. Numbers ending with 5. This is the first type. So for example, I'll explain this with example only. For example, the first one, 65 square. So 65 square, this number ends with 5. 5 means always 5, if it ends with 5, then the last two digit of this square number will be 25 only. The square of 5. Square of 5 is 25. Therefore, the last two digits will be definitely 25 only. And the first two numbers we have to find out. The number 6 is there, no? 6 multiplied by its next number. 6 next number is 7. That is 6 into 7, that is 42. So if you write 42 here, that is the square of 65. 65 square is 4225. It's as simple as this. 5, if it ends with 5, then the square of 5, that is 25. We have to write that number here. Then the previous number multiplied by the next number. 6 into 7, that is 42. 4225 is the square of 65. That's all. Very simple. Now, I'll give you another one example. 115 the whole square. 115 the whole square. If you see the number, it ends with 5. So, the last two digits will be definitely 25. The last two digits will be 25. And the first initial digits will be, the first two digits are 11 into the next number, that is 12. 11 into 12 is 132. So, 132. So, the square of 115 square is equal to 13225. That is as simple as this. 5 square 25, that we will be writing it in the last, and the first initial digits 11 multiplied by the next number, that is 12. 11 into 12, that is 132. So the square of 115 is 13225. That's all. Now I'll give you one more example. Third example, 105 the whole square. 105 the whole square. As usual, it ends with 5. So the last two digits will be 25. And the initial digits will be 10. So 10 into 11, that is 110. That's all. 110. So 105 square is 11025. That's all. Now fourth one, another one example also I'll give you, that is 95 square. 95 square, so 5, it ends with 5. So the last two digits will be 25. And the first digits will be 9 into 10. 9 multiplied by the next number, that is 10. So it is 90. So 90 here. 95 square is 9025. So this is with respect to first type. The first type is ending with 5. The second type is not ending with 5. We can call it others also. I just gave it that also. Type 2, not ending with the 5. That is others. Now, first example I'll explain you. 57 square. For example, 57 square, if you try to find out, it will be very difficult. But in a very easy way, how to find out that? See, I will just make two arrows. 7 square. First, I will write this 7 square. 7 square is 49. 57 square I am going to find out. For that, first I am finding out 7 square, that is 49, and 5 square, that is 25. I'm just find out like that. Then below the 9, I'll just make it a cross. That means I will not write any number below that. The right corner we have 9. Below that we will not write anything. So I'll just put a cross mark. After that, you just multiply 5 into 7. 5 into 7 is 35. This two numbers 5 into 7, that is 35. Then again multiply that with 2. We will get 70. We have first multiplied 5 and 7, that is 35, and multiply it again with 2. So we will get 70. That 70 we will write it here. So starting from this side, below 4 you will write 0, below 5 you will write 7. Now add these two. If you add 9, 4, 5 plus 7, that is 12, carry 1, so 3. Now the answer is 3249. That's all. 57 square is 3249. How did I find out? 7 square I wrote 49, 5 square I wrote 25, and below 9 I will not write anything, so I put a cross mark. Then 5 into 7, that is 35. Again double that number multiplied by 2, it is 70. So I added that here. The 0 will come exactly below 4 and 7 will come exactly below 5. When you add these, if you have carry, you have to send it to the other side. And if you add this, that is the square of this number. I'll give you one more example also. For example, now, second example is 83 square. 83 square. So 83 square is, now again the same thing, 3 square I have to find out. 3 square is 9, but here we wrote it 2 digits. No, 7 square is 49, 2 digit. Same way here also we have to write it in 2 digits. 3 square is 0, 9. And 8 square is 64. 6409. Below 9 we will not write anything, so I will put a cross mark. And 8 into 3, we are multiplying that, it is equal to 24. Again multiply that with 2, we will get 48. So 8 here, 4 here. Add these two. 9, 8, 8, 6. So now 83 square is 6889. As simple as this. 83 square means square the 3 and write it in 2 digit number, that is 09. And 8, square of 8 is 64. Below 9 we will not write anything, just put a cross mark. 8 into 3, that is 24. That 24 should be doubled, that is multiplied by 2. We will get 48. That 48 we will add it here. So 9, 8, 8 and 6. So 6889 is the square of 83. One more example I'll give you, that is 107 square. Okay, 3 digit number, 107 square. So we will split it like this. So the last digit we will split. The last digit we will square it. 7 square is 49. 10 square, we will segregate the last digit, so that is 49, and the previous digits, that is square of 10 is 100. Square of 10 is 100. So we have written it this way. Below 9 I will not write anything, and then we will multiply 10 into 7, that is 70. 10 into 7 is 70. We have segregated like that. This is 10 and this is 7. Like that we have segregated. 7 square is 49. 10 square is 100. Now 10 into 7 is 70. Again double it, multiply by 2. We will get 140. Now 0 will be here, 4 will be here, and 1 will be here below that. Now add 9, 4, 4, 1 and 1. So 107 square is 11449. That's all. If you have 3 digit number, then segregate the last number, make it, write the square of that number, then the remaining 2 numbers, that square also you write. Below the from the right corner we will not write any number, so put a x. Then multiply this 10 and 7, that is 70. Double it, that is 140. Add that, we will get the square. make a note of this 107 square. Once again I will explain it in another method also. Now one more example I will give you, that is 208 the whole square. 208 the whole square. Now again split it like this. 8 square. 8 square is 64. And then 20 square. 20 square is 400. These things are easy for us to remember. Then 20 into 8. 20 into 8 is 160. Double it, you will get 320. So 320. Here x, the last digit you will not write anything. So you will put a x. Now 4, 6, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 3, 2, 6, 4. 208 square is 4, 3, 2, 6, 4. Just as easy as this. Now again I will teach you one more special case. This special case is when the number is very close to 100. So in that case only we can use this special case thing. I have already taught you 107 square. Now again I will teach you 107 square. Now in this special case we will segregate the number. Last two digits we will segregate. So last two digits 07. 07 square is 49. 7 square only it is. So it is 49. Now remaining is like this 7 multiplied by 2. So this number, whatever you have, no, this number 7 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 14. So that 14 also we will write, and this one is there, no, that one also we will write. That's all. 107 square is 11449. This is like you have to segregate the last two digits. Find out the square of the last two digits. That is, here it is 7. 7 square is 49. So I have written that 49 here. Then this 7, whatever the last two numbers you have, that you double it. That is 14. That is what I have written it here. And this one is there, no? So I have written that one here. That's all. This is when the number is very close to 100. I'll explain another one example also. This is first one. Second one is 109 the whole square. Now we will segregate the last two numbers. One is here. Last two numbers 09. 09 square. That is 9 square, which is equal to 81. So the last two digits will be 81. Now multiply this with 2. 9 into 2. 9 into 2, that is 18. So the next two digits will be 18. This one is there, no? That one I will add. So 109 square is 11881. One more example I will give. Third one, 112. So how to do this? Again segregate this. 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. 12 square equal to 144. But we have written everywhere, we have written only two digits. So here also I will write the last two digits here, and the remaining one, the third digit, no, that will go as a carry here. Okay, now double the 12. When you double the 12, 12 into 2, which is equal to 24. 12 into 2 is 24. I will write it here. 24, and over that 4 you have one carry is there. And this one will be written like this. So when you add this, 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. That's all. So 112 square is 12544. Once again I will tell you. We are segregating the last two digits. 12 square is 144. We have three digits numbers, but usually we will write only two digits. So the third digit will be sent as a carry. Only that 44 will be written here, and the 1 will be kept as, this is 144. Like this I have written. And we have to double this number. 12 into 2, that is 24. I have written it here. So this 44 came from 144. This 24 came from doubling this 12. And 1, as usual, that 1 will come. Now when you add with the carry, 4, 4, 5, 2 and 1. So it is as easy as this. 112 square is 12544. As easy as this. Otherwise also, even without this special case, if you have a doubt whether to use the special case or the normal one, you will get the same answer. Thank you.